Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the video that I made on Nissan NV350. Now I replaced the timing chain. So I'm gonna start it and see if the engine light is going to go off, because it was reporting that there is a camshaft signal error. Let's start it and see. Okay, the engine light is off. The engine is running smooth, no erratic idling. As you can see, it's running smooth. There's no warning light on the dashboard. So just in case we have the same problem, you're encountering the same problem of hard start and erratic idling, please check your timing chain. I replaced my timing chain. You can check my other video on setting up the timing. Thank you for watching.